Looks like the 20C going to hang back. It's going to bring the 30 up. Green flag is underway. We're mini wedge racing at the Beckley Motor Speedway. 5 laps of distance for these young men. The 10 car, the wild child, Stephen Lusher on the bottom side. The 20 car going spin cycle down in turn number 2. He's going to get her going right side. But out front, it's all the 30. Braden Mills takes lap number 1. Second spot, the wild child, Stephen Lusher, the 20C of Brady Mason around again, down in 3 and 4. That young man having a terrible time trying to keep a handle on that 20C machine. And cycle again. He's going to be a stunt man. That was impressive. That is the 3rd time he's pulled off a full 360. Don't do it now. To the outside goes Braden Mills. He's going to chop him off down into turn 1, and he's going to lose the handle on it again. Can he keep it going? He does keep it going. Hey, some of the adults could take some lessons from this young man. He knows how to keep us going green flag racing. And you sport mod guys, it's off this week up here in the crowd. Take notes. But the white flag is out one more time around for Braden Mills. Checker flag is out. Sophia, West Virginia's Braden Mills going to take home the mini wedge feature event. Second spot's going to go to Stephen Lusher. Third spot to Brady Mason. No quit in the 20C machine. He's going to finish the job in 3rd. Y'all make some noise for him on the front straightaway here out of Sophia, West Virginia, Braden Mills.